we passed the Tustamina ferry on the port side, and our boy took a quick video. We were going at about 34 miles an hour. So here we're at the head of Tutka Bay across from Homer, Alaska, and we were just trying to do some testing of the Optimus steering. We had to replace the actuator on the port engine. So we were doing some shakedowns, and I was trying to learn how to run my drone again, obviously. So Beck was doing the driving. We're going at about 22 miles an hour. And just coming out of the hole, you know, showing cruise speeds. So another shot from the other side, and trying to keep the drone down a little lower, but still, I wasn't as familiar. I hadn't played with my drone for a while, but got a few shots of how the boat is plying through the water. Notice that it doesn't rise in the bow much. It stays quite level, and even though it sits bow down, you don't see any of that once it's running or cruising. It lays out pretty nicely. This is a bit of a long-winded run, but I think we got up to about 26, 28 miles an hour. The boat tops out at 5,400 RPM. It tops out at 40 miles an hour. So obviously the props could be changed. I could get probably 4 or 5 more miles an hour even. Who knows, if I was to let the engines wide open throttle at 58 to 6,000. The 350s run out to 6,000 RPM. But the props are $4,000 for a set of them. So for right now, we're happy. The cruise, the optimal cruise is at 28 to 30 miles an hour. And that's plenty fast for the size boat and to get to point. And that's the best fuel consumption also, that 28. And that's spinning at, if I remember right, about 4,700 RPM. Mama was getting ready to make us some coconut milk Thai soup with noodles with shrimp, and it turned out extremely good. Mama's in the galley. I'm gonna go out and throw another rope on because it is blowing in Homer right now. So we're in our slip, the P34 slip. And we just fixed the Optimus steering yesterday. We got the new part in. Bryan with ACI. I know he did as much magic as he could to get me the part. So anyway, we're just tied up camping.